check out Breakneck Ridge. It's a very challenging hike, one of the most popular one in New York State.
If you drive from the city, you just come up straight to US 9, but you can also take Metro North to the Breakneck Ridge station, which reopened this year. There are other popular routes starting at this location. The trailhead starts right here after the tunnel. We park right here, but it can be pretty crowded sometimes. You should come to visit this spot well prepared. If you are in good condition, this hike won't be a problem. But if you are out of shape, I wouldn't recommend this particular hike. The most important thing to have is a good pair of hiking or rock scrambling shoes with a great grip. Don't come here tired or with a hangover. I've been here a few times, but never to the same route since there are plenty of options to go up. The rock scramble in the beginning is hard. There are breathtaking views all the way up. The route I'm going to do this time is called the Breakneck Loop. As you go up, it can be very dangerous and scary sometimes, so stay focused. The warning says it's not just a walk in the park, and you should take it seriously. You look up, and this is the view that first got me.
Amazing.
Okay, Chaba, come on up, buddy. Just don't look down. You're a natural climber, bud. Whoops, I just knocked the rock. Good. Right up that crack. It's easy, you're a pro now, careful. All right. Perfect. Oh my God, you made that look so easy. Look at you. All right, well done.